Good day and welcome to video number 12 of the 2023 NCEA Level 2 Statistics paper called Apply Probability Methods in Solving Problem. As I told you before, there's only three types of questions in Level 2. The first one is probability tree, second one is going to be probability from table, and the third one, because we have not done it before, is going to be probability normal distribution calculation. So without further ado, we are going to do this paper by using the graphic calculator. So we will use the graphic calculator after we have drawn the graph. So I'll just put my graphic calculator at the side here, and then we shall do this later. Okay, so the question sounds like this. Okay, so we shall adjust the paper. So there are two questions, 3A part 1 and 3A part 2, and both of them are achieved questions. Okay, so a recent study reported that New Zealand youth 15 to 24 years old spend an average of on mean of 113 minutes per day watching streaming services. Assuming the distribution of minutes watching per day follows a normal distribution with a standard deviation of 35 minutes per day, find the probability that randomly selected New Zealand youth spend 92 minutes a day watching the streaming service. So before we can start, we're going to just switch on my computer, okay? So we are going to, so before you, for the NCEA Level 2, you need to draw the normal distribution in able to get an achieve or a merit. So we're going to do that now, okay? So the mean is 113 and the standard deviation is 35. So always draw a normal distribution. So the normal distribution looks like this, okay? And the mean is always in the middle, represented by nu. Nu is going to be 113 minutes, and then standard deviation is 35, so sigma standard deviation is 35 minutes, okay? So they ask you to find the probability that they spend 92 minutes a day watching the streaming service. Okay, so 92 minutes is just less than 113, so it's going to be on the left. So that will be 92, and then we're going to find less than 92 is all going to be that area there. So the area of the normal distribution is going to call is the probability. Okay, so to do that, we bring a calculator here, and I'm going. Hopefully, you can see from there. Okay. Is it too bright? Yeah, maybe too bright. Okay, so we're going to put it down there. Okay, I'm going to cover the quiz. Okay, I just adjust the light so you can see. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we are going to start by finding the number there. Okay, so go to menu. Okay, stats. Okay, and then exit. Okay, exit again. We start from scratch. Go to distribution. Okay, okay. For normal distribution is NORM. So normal F1. Okay, for normal distribution, the normal type of question, you always have to do NCD, not NPD, but NCD. Okay, cumulative, so NCD, press F2. Okay, now we're going to put the numbers in. Make sure you are in variable. If you are list, you have to change to variable. Okay, so lower is where you're going to start. So lower is anything from here. So we're going to put any number, minus 10,000. Okay, so sorry, minus 10,000. Okay, hopefully you can see from the graph there. Okay, and then the upper is where the probability end. It is going to end at 92. So execute, and the upper is going to be 92. Execute, and the sigma is 35. We enter 35. You put 35 and execute, and then the answer is going to be 0. So probability less than, again push a bit, 92 minutes is going to be equals, if you look at the calculator, is 0.2743 round to 4 dp. Answer that, that will be an achieve. Okay, second question, part 2. Okay, similar question but different scenario. Okay, so we're going to bring it down a bit. Okay, okay, so hopefully you can see from there. Okay, make it brighter. Okay, find the probability that the New Zealand youth spend between 2 and 3 hours watching streaming service. So if you remember the normal distribution, we're going to draw the graph again. The mean was 113 minutes and the sigma was 35 minutes. Okay, so you're not sure, go back to the question again. So now we are going to find you spend between 2 and 3 hours. So 113 is less than 2 hours, so 2 hours is going to be here. So going to be 2 hours or 120 minutes. 3 hours to 180 minutes or 3 hours. Okay, we're going to put 120 and 180. Okay, because we are doing all in minutes. So 2 hours is 120 minutes, sorry, and 3 hours is 180. So now we're going to find the area here because that is the probability of between 2 hours and 3 hours, or 120 minutes to 180 minutes. So now again, we're going to the menu again, go to stats, exit, and then we're going to start again. Distribution. Then we're going to go normal again, F1. Then NCD, remember normal distribution calculation is always NCD. Now we're going to put in the data. So this time, the starting point is going to be 120. Execute. The upper limit is where end is going to be 180. Execute, and then the mean and standard deviation the same. So we're just going to execute there. And the answer is going to be probability of between 2 hours to 3 hours, or 120 minutes to 180 minutes, and the answer is going to be 0.39329. Okay, so that is the answer. Around to 4 dp. If you get it right, again, that's an achieve question. So watch these two videos again. It's easy achieve, use the calculator. If you don't have a calculator, then you have to do the table. I hope that you can get a calculator because it's so much easier. Cheers everyone, and I'll see you in the next video, video number 13 on question number 3B. Cheers.